Hello everyone. If you find this is your sign. Um, okay. So for a very long time, someone gives you silent treatment. This person is finally want to start communication, new conversation with you. Okay. Basically, I'm getting like this person in deep down, in deeply in love with you. But yes, um, this person deeply in love with you, this person care for you, but they don't show it. Okay, they don't show it to you because I'm getting this person try to hold their emotion back. Okay, they don't share their real emotion to you, but in deep down this person definitely care for you, love you unconditionally. Okay, this person could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person is dreaming about a beautiful marriage with you. Basically something problem like I'm getting could be financial issues, could be some kind of family issues is the reason why this person don't accept their real feelings to you, because they had the fear of commitment. Okay, this person had definitely fear of commitment. um Yes, fear of commitment and fear of being judged. That's why they can't share their real emotion to you. And some kind of financial crisis also is the reason of the silent treatment. This person, try to maintain a distance with you. Okay, they don't share their emotion with you, but in deep down, definitely this person is in love with you. Okay, this person really love you, and this person also dreaming about a beautiful marriage. They want to marry you basically, but this person realized like this is not that time, because this person is not ready for marriage. Okay, but they are dreaming about this. Yes, and I'm getting definitely a reconciliation and reunion is possible very very soon. Okay, if you find this, definitely within the next 4 days to 4 weeks maximum, a reconciliation is definitely possible. Okay, Six of Cups. For some of you, this person could be your ex. Okay, they don't want to lose you because this person realized they was wrong in past. Okay, this person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio also. If you want to book your personal reading, customized ritual, subliminal affirmation, love spell, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com, and you can join for full moon relationship healing rituals. 2 days ritual will definitely help you to release all the blockages and end the no contact situation, help to receive communication. Okay, this is the very powerful rituals, release any kind of blockages and obstacles from your relationship. Okay, so if you are interested, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com, and this is going to start from this full moon, 17th September. Again 4. So if you are seeing 444, it's a huge sign for you. Okay, your person want to confess to you like, don't lose your hope, because this relationship has the potential. Don't move on from this person, even though this person is giving you silent treatment currently. This person is you know don't take any action towards you, but there is definitely a future in this connection. Okay, your person wants to let you know like, please give them some time. Okay. Yes, Page of Pentacles, promising and secure love. This person want to promise you, and they want to give you a secured relationship. A beautiful, committed, long-term, secured relationship. Pentacles card, very promising. Okay, so yes, this person definitely thinking about commitment, and basically because of some kind of issues, maybe they can't take any stand at this point, giving you silent treatment. But this no contact will end soon, because reconciliation card is here, Six of Cups. Wow, again Pentacles. So definitely earth sign is very significant: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and King of Pentacles, the promising. And in relationship reading, that is the commitment. So yes, this person want to give you commitment. So don't lose hope from this relationship. This relationship has the potential. Okay, very grounded and secure love is possible. Okay, and here is Four of Wands, so marriage. Wow, very beautiful. So at this point, just do some healing to heal this commitment issues. It will definitely work out. Okay, claim this reading.